Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Deploy Diaries. So today let us learn about Ngrok. So what Ngrok actually is. So this Ngrok turns the localhost URL or the IP address URL into the public URL so that it can be accessed by anyone over the internet. So let us see how it works. So now we have an easy to instance ready over here, and I also have a basic application. Let us see what the application is. So we have this basic application Hello World. So let us run and test this. Now let us check this in the browser. HTTP, we have this URL. So now we are able to see this hello world on the browser. So now we need to convert this IP address URL into the public URL so that it can be accessed by everyone. So for that we need to open one more terminal and we need to give the basic ngrok command, ngrok http, and the port is 5000. So now we got this ngrok URL generated over here. Let us see how it works. Yeah guys, so now this IP address URL has been converted into a public URL by using Ngrok. So we can also create subdomains by using Ngrok. So for that we need to take a paid version. So thank you guys. So if you like my video, please do share, like and subscribe.